Voila. So, my cousins would be here, but Miles is sick, and we don't want to get each other sick. So, I mean, I don't know if they'll be showing up. I don't think they are. But, today I'm going to be launching off this model rocket here. It is the Estes Journey model rocket. Please do not try this at home. It is dangerous. And it's spring break right now. And look at all that snow. Like, there's like, I don't know. Look at the slide over there. The slide broke off that, and it's like buried under snow over there. Say there's like at least 2 inches of snow out there, and it's spring break, which is the crazy part. It's spring break. But, so you can put different engines in the rocket. I have some C65 power rockets, a B44 rockets, and A83 rockets. Now, the A rockets, these ones, are the least powerful. The B rockets are next. And then the C rockets are the most powerful ones that this rocket over there can hold. Because there are like D, E, F, and G. G being like the most powerful one, but they're a lot bigger because there's also like half A's, quarter A's, and eighth A's. But they're too small. See, the A's, if you look there, you can't even really see the propellant in there, but there's a quarter of the tube is full. For the B, it's double, and the middle one is one that's not backwards, but the middle one, it's half full. Again, it's not very visible. I think I can see it a little bit. But the C1, it's all the way full. So a D1 would need to make the tube twice, like, a lot bigger. Oops. I'm doing this in a safe spot. Please do not try this at home. Please do not try this at home. How many rockets do I have? I think I have 18. So, and on a C rocket, that there rocket, on a C engine, one of these ones, on a C65 engine, it can go up to 1,100 feet. So, I have high expectations. This is gonna be cool though. This is a beginner rocket there, and right there it says 1,100 feet thing on a C65 engine. But basically, it's gonna lift off. It's going to accelerate a lot. Then the engine's gonna run out, and it's gonna go on like a timer. But it's still going to be going up, and at peak altitude, it is there, and then the recovery system will deploy, and then it will land. And then here's the actual rocket, and like, there's just that little thing there. So, I'll see you guys when we actually get out there. Bye.
Ready? Set.
Oh.